at least 21.7 billion pesos in bank accounts and other forms of assets are frozen upon written order by the Court of Appeals. May mga sumasailalim na rin sa Witness Protection Program ng DOJ upang tumulong palakasin ang mga ebidensya habang nangangako na magre-restitute ng napagkasunduang halaga sa ilalim ng mga pinirmahang Memorandum of Agreement with the WPP tungo sa logical conclusion ng mga klasong plunder, malversation of public funds through falsification, violations of anti-graft laws at iba pang krimen. We laid out how this deeply rooted scheme operates with systemic precision. It involves a network of actors, namely the contractors group who collude amongst themselves to rig public biddings and monopolize flood control projects, key DPWH coordinators who manage project allocations and orchestrate the collection and delivery of kickbacks, and intermediaries, agents, or bagmen who receive these illicit funds allegedly in behalf of their principals. Naging daan din ang mga pagdinig ng komite upang mabuklat ang usapin ng conflict of interest sa Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board or PCAB. We also flagged blacklisted companies resurfacing under new names, the rampant practice of license renting, and the awarding of billion-peso contracts to severely undercapitalized firms. Modesty aside, but significantly, your committee paved the way for the implementation of landmark transparency reforms in our national budget process. These include our transition to live-streamed and open BICAM that detailed budget amendments, insertions, if you like, that are now traceable to their proponents. Not to mention stricter safeguards to ensure that no vague or undefined infrastructure projects are included in the General Appropriations Act. Let this serve as a warning to skeptics, detractors, and hijackers who exploit the vulnerabilities and anger of our people to deepen the fault lines of our nation during these trying times. Your noise will not silence the truth. Neither does it provide any help in our investigation. Your noise cannot convict and won't even indict the malefactors in this flood control mess.